Committee, I won't show I'm pay serious. Kanyago, Madeleine Komatika performing. Please come and dance with her. You never know. After party, you get it. Otherwise, KTK, Wallan DJ. KTK, of course, channel number 1 Luo TV. We are live streaming it right now. Meanwhile, let me recognize the presence of the manager 1 Luo TV, that is Max. Thank you for coming. And of course, the sport analysis in 1 Luo TV, that is Adong Sharon. Big up on yourself. All the staff of grouping, Mega FM, thank you.
I'm focused, I know exactly what I need. Let me hope I did not realize it late. But life ain't easy, food don't come on a silver platter. For y'all to eat, y'all gotta struggle day and night.